Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to create Skype account using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for skype.com. Okay, so now just go ahead and click on the sign in button at the upper part of your screen. And now you want to click on the sign up button. And now just go ahead and type your phone number. So just go ahead and choose the country where you're at. So I'm just gonna type my number. And you can use your email instead by clicking this button. Okay? So now just go ahead and create a password. You need to make sure that it is a strong password. So now just go ahead and click on next. And now just go ahead and put your name. Now click on next. And here you just need to verify your phone number, or if you use your email address, just go ahead and check your Gmail inbox, okay? Now just go ahead and type the code. Click on next. So we just need to verify that we are not a robot. So let me just do this. So now the verification is now complete. So let's just wait. Okay. And here just go ahead and put your birth date, also your country or region. Once you've done that, just go ahead and click on next. So here you just need to confirm your age. So please hit next to confirm or back to correct. So this is correct. So I'm just gonna put or click next. Now I'm just gonna click on yes so that my account will stay signed in. So let's just wait. And you can now put your profile picture, but as of now, I'm just gonna click on skip. So now as you can see, I already created my account. So that is how you create your Skype account. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.